What started as a group of students and their advisor, contemplating how they could apply AI to drones, has turned into the world's most advanced AI drone software, providing firefighters with the location, size, and direction of wildfire in real time. What's unique about the software that lies behind Robotto Fire is that it's much like an element on the periodic table. When combined with other elements, you get something unique. In the case of Robotto, this means applying the software to other applications that save lives and save nature. We do this by adjusting the AI's architecture and training it to recognize other events or subjects. In practice, this means applying the technology to help search and rescue teams find people in need. It also means developing real-time disaster mapping software to help emergency services when they need eyes in the sky fast. The core technology also allows us to partner with the WWF, creating unique, state-of-the-art biodiversity drone software. We're ready to reach new heights, targeting new use cases such as oil spill tracking and power line inspection.